Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stafford and I'll be taking you around this approved used Motor Match vehicle. Today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Toyota Yaris 1.5 VVT-h Excel E-CVT, which is a petrol hybrid. This vehicle is automatic and is also ULEZ compliant. To start off with then, you have your LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with this, you also have 17-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels with a two-tone finish, really complementing against the white exterior colour. You also have privacy glass located in the rear and cargo area, ensuring any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy they desire. Moving to your boot, you have an ample amount of boot space. You could easily fit in a medium-sized suitcase or perhaps several bags of shopping. Taking a look at the rear seats now, you have your fabric and synthetic leather upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, ideal for small children's car seats. Moving in through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel, and once again you can see that lovely upholstery providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort on any journey. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your cruise control, hands-free options, and of course your volume controls, allowing you to do several things via the touch of your fingertips. Taking a look at your dash, you can see that this vehicle's done 25,843 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you need, including your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. You are also able to connect your external media to the car via Bluetooth or perhaps even USB, allowing you to listen to your own music whilst on the go. And of course you have Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. You also have a rear view camera, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. Moving to your climate control, you have a dual zone climate control, so you can individually adjust the temperature as well as easily adjust the airflow and the airflow direction. RAC extended warranty is available. All our vehicles are subject to a £150 administration fee. Included in this is a provenance check. For more information you can call us on 01785 899 474 or inquire online now.